Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and to the Advanced Cartoon Character Rigging course in 3ds Max. The holidays are behind us. It's the perfect time for new knowledge. In this lesson, we will create a foot rig with switching between FK and IK. Create a point and align it with the ankle bone using Alt+A by position and orientation. Clone the point and align it with the foot bone, also using Alt+A. Now clone these points to the right side. Link the FK point of the ankle to the FK ankle controller, then link the FK point of the foot to the FK point of the ankle. After that, select the entire hierarchy and freeze the transformation. Do the same for the right side. Add an additional target to PT Driv ankle in position constraint, the FK point of the ankle. For the ankle bone in orientation constraint, add a target, the FK point of the ankle. For the BN Driv foot in orientation constraint, add a target, the FK point of the foot. And for the foot bone in orientation constraint, add a target, the FK point of the foot. Now let's connect the FK foot rig to the IK FK system. Select the global controller, open wire parameters, choose L leg IK and specify PT Driv ankle in position constraint. For weight 0, make a direct connection, and for weight 1, add 1 minus. For the foot bone in orientation constraint, repeat the same steps. Weight 0, direct connection. Weight 1, 1 minus. Now repeat the same steps for the BN driv foot and the foot bone itself. Let's test our rig. Right now, we are in FK mode. When we move the FK ankle controller, the entire ankle follows it. But when we switch to IK, the entire foot follows the IK controller. Now create a controller for the FK foot. I take the same one I used for IK and simply change its size. First, align the controller with the foot bone by position and orientation using Alt+A, then adjust its position with Effect Object only. Clone the controller to the right side and slightly adjust its position. Link the FK foot controller to the FK ankle controller and freeze the transformation. Link the FK point of the foot to the FK foot controller through orientation constraint. Now repeat the same steps for the right side. The video does not show how I created separate layers for IK, FK controllers. Don't forget about layers. Order in the scene is very important, especially when the rig has many elements. And the final step will be locking unnecessary axes in link info. For the thigh and foot controllers, we lock all movement and scale axes. For the shin and ankle controllers, we lock only the scale, since these controllers will be moving. Excellent! In this lesson, we mastered FK foot rigging and switching between FK and IK. In the next lesson, we will cover IK leg stretching. See you in the next video. Bye!